Hi, my name's Chuck. I had a full knee replacement 3 weeks ago. Mine was caused from an accident. I fell off a ladder in July, and we waited about 4 months before we determined that the knee was what we're going to have to do. And so here we are just after Christmas, and I'm 3 weeks out of surgery. My surgeon was Steenson here in town with Orthopedic One. Steenson was very, very good with me. I was a little bit out of the norm because I knew right out from the very beginning that I wanted to push this thing along, and he could tell I was pretty driven, and he was, I think, a little concerned that I was going to bite off more than I could chew, but it worked out very well for all of us. The way I came upon the X10 was I was trying to figure out what my surgery was going to look like, and I was on YouTube. I got a hold of the X10 folks, and they came out and delivered one to the house here in Columbus, Ohio, and we used it for 3 weeks, and it was terrific. I'm just delighted with it. I call it my magic machine, and we've done a super job with it. It's been a great service to me, and I just can't say enough great things about it. There was a lot of options for me. I really felt like I had a lot of control of the machine. I really felt like I was in charge. I had my first in-house physical therapist come three days after the surgery, and she was amazed at where I was. She said when she did her measurements, I was at about 5 degrees and about 90 degrees, and she said that's about where I would expect you to be in a week from now. And before she left, I was at 110 or 12 degrees after her third visit, and with only the machine. She really didn't do a lot of physical therapy because I was pretty far along, she felt. 13 days after my surgery, I walked into my doctor's office without a walker or without a cane, and I just walked up to him and I said, "I think you're looking for me. My name's Chuck Evans." And she said, "Did you have your knee replaced?" And I said, "Yes, I did." And they were just totally amazed that I walked in the way I did. This machine has really made the difference.